living will is a legal instrument where you deal with end-of-life scenarios. It should not be confused with a will because it does not manage the distribution of your assets post-death. A living will is where you make your wishes known regarding life-sustaining treatment should you be in a permanently unconscious or terminal condition. It specifically addresses the provision of artificially or technologically supplied food or hydration. It differs from a healthcare power of attorney because it only comes into effect if you are deemed by your physician and another to be in a terminally ill or permanently unconscious state. It does not give your agents the ability to make healthcare decisions to restore you back to your pre-accident or injury condition like a healthcare power of attorney.